Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Walter Copeland, and what I wanted to do, I wanted to take a couple minutes to show all of you how to maneuver through Myfitnesspal, because Myfitnesspal is going to be an important application that we're going to use to track not only your nutrition, how much you're eating on a daily basis. Now, on previous videos, I've always been speaking about macronutrients, how many grams of carbs, fats, and proteins, which totally adds up to your calories as a whole. So I wanted to help you maneuver through Myfitnesspal so that you know how to change the macronutrients that either myself or my other trainers is going to give you, so that you have a basic understanding, and also so that you know how to play with the amount that we're going to discuss. So as we're looking at Myfitnesspal, this is the home page. So based on the amount of macronutrients that either myself or other trainers give you, let me show you how to maneuver through it. As you can see here, um, we're going to first look at, first you want to do is purchase the premium version. All right, the premium version allows for you to maneuver and change your proteins, fats, and carbs that you're going to have on a daily basis. So if we're looking at here, as you can see at the top of this screen, you see carbs, fats, and proteins. So for example, I may give some of you 150 grams of protein. I may give some of you 100 grams of carbs and 100 grams and possibly 30 to 50 grams of fat. So how do you change that? One, you would go into goals. As you go into goals, you see nutritional goals. Now, a lot of times with Myfitnesspal, it gives you a default goal already at the top of the app. I don't want you to worry about that. What we're going to do with you, we're going to create a macronutrients goal specifically for you and your body type. So what I want you to do is click on that. Now you see this set daily goals, where you're able to change how many days that you're going to be working out versus how many days that you're not going to be working out. So a lot of times my macronutrients are based on how active you are on a consistent basis versus days that you're not active. So you may see this calendar Monday through Sunday. So I'm using these macronutrients that I'm giving you as just an example. You would go into here, change that. The carbs, if I give you 100 grams, you would change it from here. You'll scroll up and down. One, you'll change it from a percentage to grams. You'll change it to 100 grams or 50 grams of carbs. Your protein, you're going to change your protein to the amount that I'm either discussed with you, either my trainer discussed with you, and also your fat percentage. Once you do that, your carbs, your protein, and fats makes up what your total calories are on a consistent basis. You would click on this, which check, and then you're checking on it again. You normally would check on that. So as you see here, this person already has Monday and Wednesday. They have a certain amount of calories that or grams that they're going to be eating. They're going to have 50 grams on carbs on Monday, 180 grams of protein, and also 50 grams of fat on Monday and Wednesday. On Tuesday and Friday, they're going to have 125 grams of carbs, 180 grams of protein, 50 grams of fats. So based on what we discuss, your grams, you're going to be using the grams that either myself or one of my other trainers presented to you. Now, after you do that and you save that, come out and go to an additional nutrients goal. As you see sugars, I want you to change your sugars from the amount that the default that they give you to 25 grams. Save that and then come back. Now, a lot of times with Myfitnesspal, it does give you a default goal. I don't want you worrying about that. I want you to change your nutritional goal based on what we discuss, and then that's how we're going to maneuver. So, also, going back to the diary, to the home screen, as you can see here, based on the macronutrients that either myself or another trainer gives you, it's going to be designed here. Click on that. Now, here, I want you to make sure you go to the top, diary settings, and you always want to make sure your macronutrients focus. Click on that, because now I want to make sure that on a daily basis that the amount of carbs is going to be showing you, the amount of fats, and also the amount of protein. Now, based on different phones, from the iPhone to the Android, the software may be slightly different, but from my understanding, the same game plan or the same maneuvering can be done with either both the iPhone or also the Android phone. Now, as you get down to here, How do you actually add food? Go into add food. Now, what I like about it is you see this bar scanner. As you click on this and then scan any food that you're eating, it will actually pull the amount of macronutrients, how many grams of fat, protein, and possibly carbs that particular food has. And then what happens, that those numbers of what it is will start to diminish. That's what I like about it. So you'll add food. If you want to scan the food, you can click on that. And then it allows you it allows you to scan the food or the bar scanner of the food that you would like to eat. Now, a lot of times people like to pre-scan their foods already before they eat it, so that if they are going to make some mistakes, they can either take it away rather than eat then scan. So once you scan your food, what I like about Myfitnesspal, it does have a good memory base. You don't have to keep scanning that same food over and over again. You can go into your history and pull it right back up. Also, what I like about Myfitnesspal is search for food. It has a large database. Which allows for you to put if you're at this place or you're at that place, and then it gives you some options. All right. So I just wanted to kind of give you a overview and also a tutorial on how to use Myfitnesspal, how do you change your macronutrients based on what either myself or one of my trainers give you, so that you're organized and so that you can get to the next level. Any questions, give me a call at 215-438-3488 or email us at info@wcfitness.net. All right. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you.